Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to redesign this smart men's shirt into a gorgeous summer top that you can wear with shorts, jeans, leggings, or anything of your choice. You need a rubber band, scissors, chalk, and a ruler for measurement. First you're going to take the ruler and you're going to draw a straight line across from armpit to armpit. Using your scissors, you're going to cut along this line in order to remove the top part of your shirt. Flip it inside out. And using your rubber band, you measure how thick the seam you're going to create is going to be. You fold it according to how thick the rubber band is, and you secure that folding using some bobby pins or extra needles if you have any. When you're done, sew across the folding. Next, take your rubber band, secure it on one end with a bobby pin, put a safety pin on the other end, and with that safety pin, navigate your way through the loop that you created when you sewed down your edges. This will help you not to lose the rubber band and also to know where it is. Then attach the two ends of the rubber band by sewing across them. Close up the little hole where your rubber band was passing through, and you have the top part of your shirt. Next, we're going to take the sleeves and cut them open. We're going to use the sleeve to form that little detail that kind of wraps around our arms on the shoulder top. So we're going to cut off the cuffs and open up the sleeve as well. We're going to do this on both sides of the shirt, both sleeves of the shirt. Next, I'm going to use my ruler to actually cut 4 equal pairs of piece of clothing, if that makes sense, to make the little wrapping things that are going to go around my arms. Then I'm going to sew those pieces of clothing together. Next, I'm going to take those two pieces and join them to make one long piece. That will leave me with 2 long pieces for each of my arms. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and flip those pieces the right way out so that I'll be able to attach them to my top. joint of the two pieces of cloth as your guide, attach them to your top. And voila, this is the final product that we get.